Hey everybody, this is Jared Snyder. Welcome to my channel. Thank you for tuning in. If you're not subscribed, please subscribe. Today I'm going to do something a little different than the working out and posting about healthy workouts and stuff. I was on Instagram one day and just trying to get people over to my channel to subscribe and just to get more followers on here, and somebody asked me to review their product, so I said sure, that would be fun. And what I'm gonna review today is Matcha. It's from SEEIN, and that's spelled SEEIN, and just some stuff about this. It's USDA organic, FDA UTZ certified, gluten-free, kosher, 100% allergen-free, non-GMO project verified. But it's green. I actually got their green tea and matcha, so we're doing the matcha today. Stay tuned for the other product. It's a Korean green tea. Korean. Major health benefits is decreases blood cholesterol, increases alertness, relaxation effect, maintenance of healthy skin, anti-influenza effect, prevention of tooth decay, lowering of blood pressure, and it has a deodorizing effect. So it just has a lot of good benefits. And I do drink tea, but I want to try something different. I do work out a lot too, so this matcha, it says it helps with fat burn. It helps with anti-aging, stress relief. I got 4 kids. I need this. And a detox. So, but anyways, it says that you need 2 ounces of water. So we're gonna put the water in here. And then it says heat water, add 1 teaspoon of matcha. So let me go get the matcha. Actually, let me get the spoon for the matcha. I got all these cool things from them. It's my little whisk. You know, stir it up in there. My little spoon to put it in. So I just opened it. It smells really good. I'm not gonna lie. It smells nice. It's about that much. I'm gonna put it in there. And it says add 2 ounces of water. We got that. Whisk in a zigzag motion for 1 to 2 minutes until tea is foamy. So that's what we're gonna do. Put that up there so you guys remember what it is. Hope you all had a good day today. I've been pretty much worked all day, so it'll be nice to have a nice relaxing tea. You can buy this on Amazon. You can go to Amazon and search SEEIN and put matcha or green tea in, and you will find it. There's also more reviews other than this one on there. up. All right, bottoms up. Oh my gosh, that is so delicious. Cheers. But anyways, wow, that's really good. It is really good. It is delicious, let me tell you. I'm gonna start drinking this and get some of these benefits, which the benefits are, again, anti-aging. Who doesn't want that? Anti-aging. Stay young forever, man. Stress relief. Got kids, you need to be drinking this. Everybody need to drink it all real fast. Can feel the stress going away already. A detox. It's always good to get that stuff out of your body. And health benefits. Lower your cholesterol, lower your blood pressure. And fat burn. You'll see me tomorrow. I won't look the same. Burn all my fat. Oh my gosh, it is delicious. I'm not gonna lie. I was skeptical, but now I'm drinking it tomorrow, the next day, and the next day. And I will make a few more videos of this and show you and tell you more after drinking it for a few days how it's affecting me. Delicious. So anyways, check it out. It's matcha from SEEIN. It's good stuff. Lots of good benefits. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe to my channel. And if you have any questions about it, let me know. I can get you more information. But anyways, take care. God bless. And I love you guys. Bye.